Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about producers and consumers. So first we will know about goods. Goods are the things that we make or grow for the sale. So what are goods? The things that we make or grow for the sale are known as goods. These include everything like fruits, vegetables, toy cars, video games or notebooks or pencil, eraser, anything that we see that people make or grow for the sale are known as goods. The person who makes or grows the goods is called as producer, and the person who buys and uses goods is called as consumer. So who are producers? The person who makes and grows goods. And who are consumers? The person who buys or uses goods. Like when we go to a shop or when we buy our things from that shop, then at that time we are consumer. The money paid by the consumer for the good is known as income of the producer. So what is the income? The money paid by the consumer of goods is known as the income of the producer. For example, a farmer produces crops, isn't it? So he or she is a producer and he or she sells his produce to a trader. So what a farmer does? He produces crops, then he sells his produce to a trader, and the trader is the consumer. And then the trader pays money to the farmer in exchange of the produce. So who is the producer? The farmer is the producer, and the trader who pays money to the farmer in exchange of the produce is the consumer. The same money is then used by the producer to satisfy his or her own needs and wants. To fulfill his wants or needs, the producer used the same money. And with this money, the producer buys raw materials and equipment to produce more goods. Now, what is a market? A market is a place where sellers and buyers meet to sell and buy finished goods. So I think you have been to a marketplace. Yes. So market is a place where we sell or buy the things. Now children, did you know that a farmer can also be a consumer? When the farmer buy things from the market at that time, he is also a consumer. So children, what we learned? We learned that a person who makes and grows goods is called as producer, and a person who buys and uses good is called as a consumer. And the market is a place where sellers and buyers sell and buy things or the goods. So children, that is all for today. Thank you.